Good morning, students. Today in English pedagogy class, our topic is English pedagogy, its methods and LSRW skills. First is definition. Pedagogy of English or the theory and practice of teaching English involves understanding the nature of the language and effective methods for teaching. It encompasses various approaches, techniques and skills, well as communication and learning. When definition clear is understanding the nature of language, historical background of teaching, developing linguistic skills, teaching prose and poetry, planning and curriculum, school curriculum and grammar, role of language laboratory. Next is objective of pedagogy English. Objective of pedagogy of English are to help teachers understand the English language and its methods, its pedagogy and its skills. How to use skills in our teaching. So understand the English language, understand the importance of teaching English, learn about teaching methods. For example, direct method, linguistic method and other related to according to topic. Develop linguistic skills. Learn about teaching prose and poetry. How to teach prose, how to teach poetry, how to teach composition, how to teach composition types. Learn about using technology. What types use technology in our English pedagogy. Learn about planning. How to plan our lesson. Develop critical thinking skills. So many objective of pedagogy of English this. Next is importance of English pedagogy. Why is importance? Pedagogy improves student learning, encourages teamwork, helps teachers understand students, helps teachers improve their teaching, helps teachers design lesson. Teaching of techniques for LSRW skill. What is LSRW? L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading and W for writing. LSRW techniques for teaching language skills involve listening, speaking, reading and writing. These techniques help students improve, develop their language skills and learn communicate effectively. So provide opportunity for students to fill in the blanks, write sentence and create dialogue scripts. Benefits of LSRW skills. Some are help students learn to communicate effectively, help students develop their language skills, help students learn to understand and produce spoken language, help students develop their interpersonal communications. Next is listening skill. Ability to decode the meaning of audio string. Writing LSRW. This is LSRW. Second is speaking. Ability to encode thoughts and concepts into oral form. Third is reading. Ability to decode the meaning of a written string. Fourth is writing. Ability to encode thoughts and concepts into written form. This series L, S, R, W. Next, formal and informal education. Difference between formal and non-formal education. Formal education, any teaching where there is instruction, supervision, defined aims, etc. is called formal education. For example, a schools, college, university, papers, report card, and etc. Informal education, education for which no formalities are observed, is known as informal types of education. Non-formal education is far wider and more inclusive than schooling, which impart wider experience out of school. For example, open schooling, open apprentice, this type of education is non-formal education. Next is methodology and planning. English language teaching methodology is a system of practice and procedures used to teach English. It includes the design of language instructions, pedagogy, methods, objectives, activities, materials, teaching aids. Lesson planning is the process of creating an outline of teaching goals and objectives. First is grammar translation, audiolingual,